Disrupt You by Jay Samit is a dynamic guide that explores the art of innovation, creativity, and personal transformation in the digital age. Drawing on the author's extensive experience as a serial entrepreneur and digital media expert, the book provides readers with a roadmap for navigating the ever-evolving landscape of business and technology. The central theme of the book is disruption, how individuals can harness their creative potential to challenge established norms, industries, and markets. Samit encourages readers to embrace change, take calculated risks, and capitalize on emerging opportunities. The book begins by stressing the importance of adopting an entrepreneurial mindset, regardless of one's current profession or industry. Samit contends that disruption starts with a willingness to question assumptions, identify problems, and seek innovative solutions. Throughout the book, Samit shares a variety of real-world examples that illustrate how disruption has transformed industries such as music, publishing, transportation, and healthcare. These stories underscore the idea that innovation often arises from recognizing and addressing inefficiencies within existing systems. One of the key principles Samit explores is the concept of disruption by design. He advocates for the deliberate pursuit of groundbreaking ideas and projects that challenge the status quo. Samit offers practical advice on identifying market gaps, solving pain points, and embracing new technologies to create disruptive products and services. Samit emphasizes the role of networking and collaboration in the pursuit of innovation. He discusses the importance of connecting with like-minded individuals, mentors, and potential partners who can offer valuable insights and support. The book also explores the significance of resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges. Samit acknowledges that failure is an inherent part of the innovation process, and he encourages readers to view setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth. Throughout Disrupt You, Samit provides actionable steps and exercises designed to help readers ignite their creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. From brainstorming disruptive ideas to refining business models, these exercises offer practical tools for embarking on a journey of innovation. In terms of personal growth, Samit advocates for continuous self-improvement and learning. He emphasizes the importance of staying informed about emerging trends, technologies, and market shifts. Samit's approach highlights the symbiotic relationship between personal development and professional success. In summary, Disrupt You serves as a comprehensive guide to fostering innovation, embracing change, and leading a life of purpose and impact. Jay Samit's insights offer a compelling blueprint for individuals seeking to disrupt industries, create meaningful value, and carve out their own paths in the fast-paced world of business and technology.